ninjaforce.com.
Hi guys, welcome to programming stuff. Today topic is in AngularJS tutorial the ng-app directive. What is the ng-app directive? What is the use of ng-app directive in AngularJS? Okay, the ng-app directive. The directive. This is one of the directive of the AngularJS. This is the starting point of the AngularJS application. It initializes the AngularJS framework automatically. It will first check for ng-app directive. Angular first check for ng-app directive in HTML document after the entire document is loaded, and if ng-app is found, it bootstraps itself and compiles the HTML template. Okay. Compiling HTML in AngularJS means attaching event listeners and events to the HTML to make it interactive. Typically, ng-app directive should be placed at the root of the HTML document, example HTML tag or body tag, so that it can control the entire DOM hierarchy. However, you can place it in any DOM element. The AngularJS framework will only process the DOM element and its child element where the ng-app directive is applied. Consider the following the example. The ng-app placement. In this example, the ng-app directive is placed in div element whose ID is mydiv. Therefore, AngularJS will only compile the mydiv and its child element. It will not compile the parent or sibling element of mydiv. Okay. The parent and child element sibling will not apply Angular, only applicable within the div of ng-app applied. Okay. Next we will see ng-app with the module name. ng-app directive can also specify an application with module name. The module separates the different part of your application, such as controllers, service and filters, etc. In this example, we have specified a module name using ng-app equal to my Angular app in the body tag, and then we have created my Angular app module using angular.module function inside the script tag. Okay, we will see module in next section detailing. We can also initialize the Angular using manually. Angular default automatically initialize, but we can use Angular with manual. We have learned that the ng-app directive auto initializes an AngularJS framework. However, we can also initialize AngularJS manually without using ng-app directive. The following example demonstrate manual initialization of AngularJS. The following example. In this example, we using the whole document applicable as Angular using the Angular.bootstrap method. We call Angular.bootstrap function specify the root element as document object. This will initialize AngularJS and compare all the elements starting from the root element. Therefore, the whole document in this example. In next section, we will detailedly see what is the AngularJS expression. Now we can create the examples in Visual Studio. Okay, now I am opening the Visual Studio. I already created the project and I already added the HTML template. Now we can add the ng-app example. Okay, I give the title ng-app directive I just added that D without ngApp using the expressions to start to. We also save with the ngApp. We need to add the script tag. We are missing that. We need to add that in the section. We also specify the next level of D without. I need to extend the 23 to 2 into 6. Okay. Now let's run. You see the result. I tested only ngApp in the 7D. It's applied AngularJS, which influences the AngularJS automatically. That is not applicable to the another 2D element. Okay. Next we will next example we will see the ngApp with module name. I need to create the ngApp with module name. Okay, open Visual Studio. I remove the ngApp. I remove ngApp and apply to the body element for a hall. I just use my Angular app into the script. Angular dot mountain. I give the name. I give an Angular app. Now run. It's applicable for all the div elements. Okay. It's applied for all the div elements. It's working fine. Okay. Next we will see the manual bootstrap. We need the ngApp in the document. Now I am going to add the manual bootstrap. Angular dot element. I use the whole document. You can use any particular div or body. Okay, HTML document. So we see the example. Okay. Angular document dot ready. After the ready of document, we will bootstrap it to the element. Ready. Angular dot bootstrap is the default function. Apply the document tag, document object. Okay. Now I run in the example. All D automatically installs AngularJS. Okay. It's also automatically applicable using manual bootstrap. Thank you.